Hi everybody, we're going to start reading a book about vehicles, staying with our transportation theme. I am getting these books from epic.com, who are kind enough to give teachers and educators a free subscription right now. I believe parents can also sign on, I believe for a 30-day free subscription. There are many books here according to age ranges, all the way up if you have older children at home too. All right, this book is Beep Beep Choo Choo. Airplane, zoom, zoom, airplane. Flying, airplane, zoom. Bus, the wheels on the bus go round and round. Bus, yellow bus. Beep, beep, car, go, go. Beep, beep, car, go. Digger, scrape, scrape. Big digger, loud digger, scrape, scrape. Dump truck, honk, honk. Dump truck, honk, honk. Dump truck. Fire truck, wee-oo, wee-oo, hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck, hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Helicopter, whoop, 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 helicopter, whoop, whoop, flying helicopter. Motorcycle, broom, broom, motorcycle, broom, broom. Go motorcycle, fast motorcycle. Race car, zoom, race car, fast race car. Tractor, slow tractor. Red tractor. Train, choo choo, train. Chugga 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 choo choo, train. The end.